So I know what you guys are thinking right now. 2 uploads in 1 week. What is going on? But do not worry. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys the pros and cons to the FTMO challenge. But before we begin, if you guys are new, Finding Forex is dedicated to helping you guys achieve some financial freedom inside the Forex markets. I'll be teaching you guys how to trade absolutely for free, and if that sounds something you're interested in, all that I ask in return is that you subscribe to the channel and you just leave a like on this video. So the FTMO challenge, there is so many pros and so many cons in a weird sort of way, but definitely the pros outweigh the cons. But first of all, let's start on the cons and the bad things about the FTMO challenge. And the first thing is, there's not really a lot of freedom within the FTMO challenge. Granted, you get to have access to large accounts and large capitals, but you can't trade certain news events, which I suppose when you think that they have to protect their capital, it's a good idea. But a lot of people like trading fundamentals, and that's one thing you can't do with the FTMO. Also, they do monthly payouts. And as you guys know, with trading, a lot can change inside a month. A lot can change inside a week. So what would happen is, let's just say you got paid on the 12th of April. Your next payment will be exactly 1 month later on the 12th of May. And then once you get paid again and again and again, it'll be exactly a month later. Another con is the percentage split. As you know, or may not know with FTMO, that it's a 70-30% split. The trader keeps the 70% and then FTMO keep the 30%. But a lot of prop firms have come up over the last few years offering a lot better percentage returns. We're going to keep that in. So a lot of companies are now offering to let the trader keep 80% and they only keep 20%. Now you might be thinking that there's only a 10% difference, but if you're trading on a £100,000 account compounded over a year, that works out to be a lot of money. So although a 70-30% split isn't bad, there are definitely other prop firms that are coming up over the next few years and few months that are offering a lot better percentage. What would the word be?
Reward?
Yeah. Another con is, if you're a swing trader or a long-term investor, this is not really the place for you, because with FTMO, when you sign the contract, you have to close every single one of your open trades before the weekend. And if you fail to close it, you're in breach of your contract and you get the account taken away. So FTMO is definitely more tailored to more intraday traders rather than long-term investors or swing traders. And now for the pros, and trust me, those cons, although there was a few of them, weren't actually that drastic. Like percentage splits, it is to some people a big thing, but in the long run, it's not really a huge thing. And the monthly payout or bi-weekly payout, this is just sort of attention to detail stuff that really doesn't matter when you're first starting your trading career. But the pros definitely outweigh the cons. And obviously the first pro is just being, you get access to ridiculously large accounts. FTMO have now introduced a £200,000 account, and you only have to pay $1,000 to get access to that account. Obviously you have to complete the FTMO challenge and the verification to get that account, but you pay $1,000 and you can get access to £200,000. That's ridiculous. And that is also another pro. You can pay a small sum of money and get access to huge accounts. You can pay £100 and then trade with £10,000. You can pay £250 and trade with like 35 grand. You can pay 500 quid and get access to a £100,000 account. So it's a very good way for normal, ordinary, regular working people like me or you watching this video to get access to large accounts that you may not have been able to get access to had FTMO not existed. Also, their account trackers are phenomenal. You can track all of your trades through this. You can even put in a little box why you took this trade so FTMO can see it and they can sort of understand why you took that trade. They have an equity curve. You can see your average risk to reward. You can also see how many percentage of trades you're winning to how many you're losing. Now, it has to be said that the average risk to reward is a little bit off because it doesn't show you your true risk to reward, because it shows you your average winner and your average loss. Now, let's just say that you're shutting trades early, or if they're in wins and you're shutting them a bit earlier, or you're in loss and they're shutting a bit earlier. It doesn't really show you how much your risk to reward actually is, because it takes an average loss and an average percentage. But you also get the idea of what it would look like if you was to trade on a real account. There are also many more pros and even some more cons to FTMO, but I don't want to stretch this video out for too long and waste everyone's time. If you want to see more information on the FTMO challenge, leave a like on this video and let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll do another pros and another cons video. There is also about to be a whole host more free content provided to you guys and teaching you guys how to trade absolutely for free, and all that I ask in return is you subscribe to the channel and then drop a like on the video. But thank you all so much for watching. This is Luke and I'm signing out. Peace. Oh my god. Okay, you ready?
I'm recording you.
Did you record me do like that?
No, stop.
Okay. Stop recording.